We talked about it yesterday and we're talking about it again today. Guys, if you haven't seen SMOG Token, it is already up 10 plus X since launching just about 24 hours ago. Now, I did the video yesterday and it was trading around 2 cents. Currently trading around 2.5 cents. But if you would have bought the dip yesterday, you're already up 100% since yesterday's investment. Guys, we are talking some crazy gains in this Solana meme coin. We're going to be looking at it in this video. And of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? As you can see, we have SMOG Token pulled up on the screen right here. Now listen, if you want to follow along, make sure to click the link in the description below. If you want to end up buying SMOG Token, make sure to click the link in the description below. Let the guys know that sponsored this video. You're coming from Clay, bro, and this is a winner so far. All right, this is a very big winner so far. I'll be the first to admit I have bought some SMOG Token. Did I buy more than I can afford to lose? Absolutely not. As with everything in the cryptocurrency space, this is very volatile, and you should never be willing to buy more than you can afford to lose. But with that being said, yes, I'm already up on my investment. I know anybody that would have gotten in yesterday is already up on their investment. How do we know that? Because SMOG Token's hitting an all-time high. Look, I'm going to show you this graph in a second here, but this is absolutely amazing. This is just from the dip earlier today, and it's gone from 1.2 cents to 2.6 cents, and it continues to tick up with just a couple of large sells coming across as these people begin to take their profit. Now, I'll pull out the daily graph in a second, and we'll look at the full-time chart here. But look at what this token's got going on. One of the things that it's going to be known for is the airdrop. Now, it doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter to you. You got to figure that out for yourself if you hold for the airdrop. What you're going to see in a second here, there is a massive amount of coins set aside to airdrop to those who are willing to take SMOG to the next level. Now let's just look at it real quick. If you pull up the website using that link in the description below, this is the page you're going to see. So make sure to check that out. Pull it up here. If you want to buy SMOG, it is very simple. We're going to click on that, and it's going to bring you up to this. We'll pull back to this page in a second here. If you want to sign up for the airdrop, pull this up right here. It's going to pull up your Zeely page, okay? You can go ahead, you can create your name, whatever you want to do, but you can complete tasks and so on to earn points and experience and rise up to be a legend in the SMOG kingdom. Now, if you want to click on the leaderboard, yesterday, before I did the video, there was 13 people involved. Then there were 17 people involved at the time that I was doing the video. How many people have signed up so far? Look at this, guys. People are joining fast, okay? 468 participants. You can go to the video from yesterday, and there were only 17 participants. Already 468 people signing up, gaining experience, and getting ready for what is going to be, or what should be, according to SMOG, one of the greatest Solana airdrops of all time. So let's just see how great. Let's scroll down a little bit. It is a fair launch. It launched yesterday. All right, and we have already seen over 10x gains in SMOG. Is it too late to get in? I absolutely don't think so. We haven't even begun to see any major pullbacks yet, so that is a huge positive sign for anybody considering getting into SMOG. Hold to earn. Now, this is important here. You can make your short-term gains by grabbing some SMOG now, jumping out as soon as you get a profit, whatever you want to do. But if you hold, okay, if you truly believe that SMOG is going to turn into something, buy and hold SMOG to earn airdrop points and qualify for the community bounty. Your points will be revealed further into the airdrop. SMOG token holders, prepare yourself for the greatest airdrop in history distributed on Solana. Let's talk about just how many tokens we're looking at here. Now, 50% of the total supply is set aside for marketing. Yes, this is a sponsored video. You're going to be seeing a lot of sponsored videos for SMOG. Look at the allocation set aside for marketing here. That means that you are going to see thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, most likely millions of people viewing this token because of their marketing efforts. And that leads to a huge potential for even further gains. Knowing that this is only about 24 hours into the token launch, how early do you think this is? Look at this here. 35% of the supply is allocated to airdrop rewards. Guys, it is already doing as well as it is with only 5% of the supply on these decentralized exchanges. Imagine when 35% of the supply is hit towards an airdrop to those that are willing to hold. So if you're interested in SMOG longer term, you could absolutely see a huge bounty if you do stick around for that airdrop. It's not absolutely necessary that you do, because some people are traders, some people want to get in, get out, and so on. But I'm telling you, man, that is a huge allocation towards an airdrop. Now, if you don't want to click the buy button up top, make sure to copy this contract address right here and go out and paste it on whatever, I guess, exchange you guys are comfortable with buying your Solana tokens on. But the roadmap, man, the roadmap all leads to that airdrop. All right, you've got the airdrop research, the website build, obviously happening already. Token deployment took place yesterday. Social activation and fighting the dragon slayers. Phase 2, fair launch. That has happened. Airdrop begins. 10,000 loyal chosen. We have not reached that level yet. There are over 1,000 holders, though. Social dominance and possible burn opportunities. Airdrop launches. More airdrops. 100,000. Now, if we reach 100,000 holders in SMOG, yeah, dude, you're going to be talking a major player in the Solana meme coin space. Social mastery and crowned Solana King. I would love to see that happen. Now, it is very easy to buy SMOG. It's already listed on these decentralized exchanges, and you can go through and get all of the answers on the frequently asked questions. But let's take a look. Okay, let's take a look at this price action real quick. Simply click on Buy SMOG. Make sure to use the link in the description below to pull up the website so you know you're getting the right token and all of that. But look at this action here, okay? You guys can go out to Bird's Eye. You can connect your wallet if you'd like. If you want to go straight out to Jupiter, you can go straight out to Jupiter. Whatever your choice, you can go out there. But look at this, man. Sure, major pullback here, but a major buying opportunity, and that dip was eaten in a matter, these are 5-minute candles. That dip was eaten in 15 minutes. It ran up, a little bit of a dip here. That dip was eaten in another 15 minutes. It continues to hit all-time highs right now. Now, because it's only been out for 2 days, we're not going to spend much time on this daily chart here, but you can see that the first day was a beautiful gainer. And of course, we are going into the second day of gains as well. You only have 2 candles here, right? But as you can see, it is not one of those pump and dumps where you go up and then the second day is a giant red candle, getting rid of the entirety of it. Guys, these guys are sitting on a literal 50% of the supply marketing budget. And if today's the second day, imagine when thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, potentially millions of people hear about this token, because, of course, the marketing budget is so big. Now, let's break this back down into you know what? Let's look at an hourly chart so you guys can see the entirety here. In the first hour of trading, it absolutely ripped up. And you have seen essentially 1, 2, 3 major dips so far. And each one of those dips has been eaten within 15 minutes like you just saw. It is on the verge of another breakout. I know a lot of traders might be thinking, I can't buy as it hits an all-time high. Number one, we're still very early into the game. Hasn't even been out for a full 48 hours yet. And of course, number 2, right now hitting an all-time high. People are excited, okay? People are going to be FOMOing in. You're also going to have no technical resistance left on the screen unless, of course, traders run into those emotional levels of resistance around the 3 cent mark, 4 cent mark, 5 cent mark, those nice even round numbers there. But guys, if you were looking at this, it has a fully diluted market cap of $36 million. This is not a tiny little coin, okay? I believe there's near, I don't know where the number's at here on Bird's Eye. Oh, here it is. Okay, total value locked, right? This is the liquidity pool. You've got $843,000 invested into this cryptocurrency already, and it's been out less than 48 hours. Top 10 holders are heavy hitters, okay? But I'm sure a lot of those holders or a lot of those wallets are going to be dedicated to marketing. A lot of those wallets are going to be dedicated to the airdrop and so on. So make sure to go out and do your own due diligence on that. I can absolutely break it down further in a future video if you guys want to, if you really are interested. But look at this volume. Today, just over the last 24 hours, it's seen $646,000 in trades, with $302,000 in sells and $343,000 in buys. That's why the price is increasing. That's why you're seeing these green candles on the screen, and that's why you're seeing an increase in the total value locked or the liquidity pool there, is because more buys are coming in than sells. Look, we are only, I don't know what the exact hour is, maybe 30 hours since this has been launched here. It is still very, very early. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I have bought into SMOG. That does not mean that you buy into SMOG. What that means is that you do your own research. I'm excited about it because it is such a large project and their marketing budget is absolutely ripe. It is fruitful and they're going to be getting the attention of a lot of people. Now, I don't know how long that airdrop is going to take. I don't know if it's something that we're going to be seeing in the next couple of months, if it's going to take a year, or what the development team plans on doing in terms of that. But with 35% of the entire supply allocated to the airdrop, knowing that only 5% of the tokens have been allocated to these decentralized exchanges, you can see an absolute mammoth of a drop. So if it does sound like something you're interested in, either trading and taking advantage of the massive volatility that you guys are seeing on this this hourly chart here, or this 5-minute chart, if it pulls up, the nothing but green candles and the higher highs that are being hit, go ahead, trade it, take advantage of it. If short-term gains are your mentality, make sure to get in, and then of course get out before people sell off. If longer-term trades are your guys' mentality, this one does have a very, very nice airdrop planned for everybody who is committed. Now, like I said at the beginning of the video, make sure to click that link though. If you're ready to sign up for the airdrop, go out here, earn your experience points. Do all of that is necessary to get as many of these tokens as possible. Because Solana is absolutely owning the meme coin space right now. SMOG Token could absolutely be one of the big players in this space as soon as marketing comes into full swing, as soon as the airdrop is understood by everybody. And man, I'm excited about it because you guys got in early. We had a video on the first day of launch. It's continued to go up. Everybody at this point that's in it is making money. And that's why I'm so excited. So let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. And make sure, if you do go check it out, or if you just want to support the fact that these guys are marketing this coin, make sure to click that link in the description. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.